Turn the scanner on. Download and run your product's software package from the Epson support site. Click Accept. Then click Next. Click Next. When you see this screen, select the wired LAN option, then click Next. Connect an Ethernet cable to the scanner, then click Next. When you see this screen, select your product from the list, then click Next. If you want the network to assign an IP address, click the DHCP option. If you need to assign a predetermined IP address, click Change, then click Yes. Click the Static Address option. Then set the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Click Next. Click Install. When you see this screen, click Finish, and your setup is complete.